Hello students, today we will solve problem set number 45, question number 3. A government office opens at 7 in the morning and closes at 3 in the afternoon. How long this office open? Here government office opens at 7 in the morning. So the open time is 7 a.m. Closes at 3 in the afternoon. The closing time is 3 p.m. When the time is given in am and pm, we need to convert this into 24-hour clock. Now, according to 24-hour clock, 7 am means 7 hours and 3 pm means 15 hours. Now we will subtract the time. Hours and minutes. In hours column write 15, in minutes column 0. In hours column write 7, in minutes column write 0 and subtract 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 15 minus 7 8. So the answer is 8 hours. Therefore the office open for 8 hours. Question number 4. A movie starts at 45 minutes past 3 in the afternoon and finishes 2.5 hours later. At what time does the movie end? Here the start time is 45 minutes past 3 in the afternoon, that means 3:45 p.m. and movie ends after 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours means 2 hours and 30 minutes. Now we will add both the time. Hours, minutes. 3 hours 45 minutes, 2 hours 30 minutes. Add 5 plus 0 5, 4 plus 3 7, 3 plus 2 5. 5 hours and 75 minutes. But there is no 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So here in minutes column 75 minutes are given. So we will subtract 60 minutes. 75 minus 60, the answer is 50. Add 1 hour. 6 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Whenever minutes column crosses 60 minutes, we need to subtract 60 minutes from minutes column and add 1 hour in hours column, because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore the movie ends at 6 hours 15 minutes. Question number 5. Sakharam was plugging the field from 8 in the morning at 12:30 in the afternoon. He stopped and started for home. He reached home at 1:30. How long was he plugging the field? How long did it take him to reach home from the field? Here Sakharam was plugging the field from 8 in the morning till 12:30 in the afternoon. Then he started for home. We need to find out How long was he plugging the field? First question. Second question, how long did it take him to reach home? He start plugging at 8 in the morning, that means AM, and stops 12:30 in the afternoon, that means PM. First, we will solve the first question. Hours and minutes. How long does he plugging? We need to find out the answer first. 12 minutes column 30, hours column 8, minutes column 0. Minus 0 minus 0 0, 3 minus 0 3, 12 minus 8 4. So he was plugging the field for 4 hours and 30 minutes. Now the second question is, how long did it take him to reach home from the field? He reached home at 1:30 in the afternoon, that means PM. Now after 12:30, 1:30 we will convert it into 24-hour clock. So according to 24-hour clock, 1:30 PM is equals to 13:30. Now we will subtract. This is the second column. Hours and minutes. 13:30 minus 12:30. 0 minus 0 0, 3 minus 3 0, 13 minus 12 1. So he took 1 hour to reach home. Therefore he was plugging for 4 hours and 30 minutes, and he took 1 hour to reach home. Question number 6. Rambhau started the water pump at 10:30 at night and put it off the same night at 11:45. How long was the water pump on? Rambhau has started water pump at 10:30 in the night and he put it off same night at 11:45. Now he started the pump at 10:30 in the night, means PM, and he closes 11:45. 11:45 means 11:45 PM. Now we will subtract. Hours, minutes. 11:45, 10:30. 5 minus 0, 5, 4 minus 3, 1, 11 minus 10, 1. So the time is 1 hour and 50 minutes. Therefore, the pump was on for 1 hour 15 minutes. Question number 7. Geeta taught in the classroom for 2 hours and 25 minutes in the morning and 1 hour and 45 minutes in the afternoon. How long was she teaching in all? So Geeta taught 2 hours and 25 minutes in the morning, and in afternoon she taught 1 hour and 45 minutes. We need to find out how long she was teaching in all. For that we will add both the numbers. hours minutes. 2 hours 25 minutes. 1 hour 45 minutes. Add 5 plus 5 0. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 4 7. 2 plus 1 3. 3 hours and 70 minutes. Again minutes column crosses the 60 minutes. So we will subtract 60. Why? Because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So we will subtract 60 from 70. 0 minus 0 0. 7 minus 6 1. Add here 1 because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So we will subtract 60 minutes from minutes column. Then we have to add 1 hour in hours column. So 3 plus 1 4. 4 hours and 10 minutes. Therefore, she was teaching for 4 hours 10 minutes. Question number 8. If a bank is open for business from 10 in the morning to 4:30 in the evening, how long it is open? Bank open 10 in the morning means 10 a.m. and closes 4:30 in the afternoon, 4:30 p.m. Now we will convert this time into 24-hour clocks because AM and PM time is given. So we will convert into 24-hour clock. So 4:30 PM is equals to 16:30. Now we will subtract hours minutes. 16:30 minus 10. In minutes column write 0. 0 minus 0 0. 3 minus 0 3. 16 minus 10 6. So the answer is 6 hours and 30 minutes. Therefore the bank was open for 6 hours and 30 minutes. Question number 9. If a shop is open from 9:30 a.m. to 10 p.m., how long is it open? If a shop is open from 9:30 a.m. to 10 p.m., how long is it open? Shop open at 9:30 a.m. and shop closes 10 p.m. AM and PM time is given, so we will convert this into 24-hour clock. So according to 24-hour clock, 9:30 a.m. is equals to 9:30 hours and 10 p.m. is plus 10 and 12. After 12 we will count 13, 14 till 10. It will be 22 hours. Now we will subtract hours and minutes. Hours column 22, minutes column 0. Hours column 9, minutes column 30. Subtract 0 minus 30 not possible, borrow. This will be now 21. And here we will add 60 because if we are borrowing 1 hour, that means we are borrowing 60 minutes. Now 60 minus 30. 30. 21 minus 9. 12. So the answer is 12 hours and 30 minutes. Therefore, the shop open for 12 hours 30 minutes. Question number 10. If the Maharashtra Express leaving from Kolhapur at 15:30 arrives at Gondia the next day at 20:15, how long is the journey from Kolhapur to Gondia? The Maharashtra Express leaving Kolhapur 15:30 on first day, and the next day, that means the second day, arrives Gondia at 20:15. We need to find out how long the journey from Kolhapur to Gondia. First, we will write the start time, that is 15:30, and it reaches at 20:15. On first day, from 15:30 to second day 15:30 is equals to 24 hours. We will take the full whole day, and on the second day from 15:30 to 20:15, on second day from 15:30 to 20:15, we will subtract hours and minutes. 20:15, 15:30, subtract 15 minus 30, not possible, we will borrow 19. Here we are borrowing 1 hour, that means we are borrowing 60 minutes. 60 plus already 15 minutes are there, add 15 is equals to 75. So we will cancel this 15. Now from 75 we will minus 30. 75 minus 30 is 45. 19 minus 15 is 4. 4 hours and 45 minutes. So now we will add this 24 hour and this 4 hour and 45 minutes. Draw the next box. Hours and minutes. In hours column write 24 hour, minutes column 0. In hours column write 4 hour, minutes column 45. Now add 0 plus 5 5, 0 plus 4 4, 4 plus 4 8 and 2. So the journey took 28 hours and 45 minutes. Therefore the journey took 28 hours and 45 minutes. Complete this in your maths notebook.